Back the fuck up.
Alright, so we y'all go to each other's phones right now? Alright, come on, let's do it.
What you talking about?
Yeah, just switch phones. You got your phone on?
Yeah, I don't know if it's dead or not.
Your shit finna die.
It's finna die, but shit.
It's on 1%.
Might as well. Okay, messages. Let's go through messages. Okay, what's your name in there? My woman. What's your name in there? My man. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. Let me. Can you go back? All right. Okay. Who's that? Who's Jelly? Jelly?
Nah, that's what it is.
Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Who's that?
That's my sister.
Okay. Snapchat? My Snapchat. How Snapchat look?
Have y'all found people that was cutting up?
Of course. Okay. Pretty clean.
Uh-oh, she calling.
Who's that?
That's somebody that I do know. They ain't know.
Who's Elijah? You don't know who that is? You got him messed up. Hold on. Who's Elijah? Hold on. Wait a minute.
Uh-oh, she bust. You could tell by that little laugh that she did. She knew she messed up.
Oh, snap. Laughing emojis. Whoa, who's this? Who's that? Whoa.
Yep, she got caught. You could tell, man. That's why she ain't saying that.
Who's this? Do you know who's this?
I don't know.
A friend?
Oh, friend. Ain't no flirt. None of that shit.
How do you feel about
Y'all
this?
got me fucked up.
I'm cool. It is what it is. We gotta talk about it private.
Okay. Sorry. Y'all have a good day. Y'all subscribe to the channel, Baller Alex. What's her name?
Jada.
Jada? What's her name?
Sincere.
Y'all a couple? Yeah. How long y'all been dating for?
Like a couple of days now.
Couple days now? Y'all trust each other?
Yeah.
Some shit like that.
Something like that? Could y'all do a loyalty test? You know what I'm saying? Y'all switch phones? Everybody be doing them all. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? The month of February, I'm almost something. I'm trying to empower couples.
That shit dumb.
Alright, so y'all open the messages.
You wildin', bro.
I'm wildin'?
Yeah.
What you mean? Y'all don't trust each other?
They said.
Come on. Open your phone. Come on.
How many subscribers you got, Paul?
I don't got a lot. Like 100 or something. Like. Oh, Princess, that's your name. Wait, this your phone?
That's
This
his phone.
Oh, y'all switch phones. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so what's your name in the phone? Wait, whoa.
It's an unsaved number.
Wait a pause. What's going on?
It's an
Yeah,
unsaved number.
Wild as hell.
I forgot to save your number.
Dang, who's Tim?
Yeah,
It's
who
a
is
brand
him?
Damn, can you unlock the phone?
Hell no.
Wow.
Nasty ass look. Let's see, who's this Tim?
Who's
nigga?
Tim?
That's right.
Hey, baby. Ooh. Baby.
What's your laugh? Nasty as fuck, bro.
Busted again.
Damn.
It's a friend.
Why say baby though?
I never met him. No, that's the crazy part.
I got friends too.
Talk to me then. Talk to me then. Hey, the Snapchat.
Hello. You can't see. Back the fuck up. Back the fuck up. Back the fuck up. Hold on. Let's find some. Let's find some move, folks.
Oh, shit.
Hold on. Let's find some move.
got that dude in trouble.
You guys are a couple?
Yeah.
You guys love each other?
You know, I never understood why these black people
why you looking like
exist.
that?
Oh, this is weird. I'm sorry.
Weird. Okay. You guys trust each other?
Yeah.
So would you guys go to each other's phones right now?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Okay. What is that?
What?
What is that?
That's me.
Not this thing. Oh, Android. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Y'all just holding hands. Are y'all a couple?
Yeah.
Can I get you in this too? All right. What's your name?
Natalie.
Natalie. What's your name?
Marquise.
Marquise. So y'all a couple?
Yeah.
How long you guys been talking for?
We dated for like 5 years.
5 years? Dang, 5 years strong. Y'all love each other?
Yeah.
Y'all touch each other?
Ooh, that's gonna be a good one.
What?
Could y'all go to each other's phones?
What?
Could y'all go to each other's phones?
We really don't. We don't need.
I'm saying no, but it's a loyalty thing. Everybody's been doing it at the mall, you know what I'm saying? Swapping phones.
So you want us to swap phones?
Yeah, just swap phones. That's it. He's with us, so. Alright, let's do it. Okay.
No, my phone's about to die.
Alright, just real quick. It only takes a minute.
To swap phones.
Yeah, just real quick. Swap phones. There you go.
To do what?
Swap phones, messages.
I don't need to go through this shit. I trust you. Who's that? That's Ryu.
Snapchat? You guys on Snapchat?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to Snapchat.
Wait, well, I don't know you. Why are we doing this?
It's a loyalty test.
We've been together for a year. We
Yeah.
See, y'all-
literally.
what does that mean?
Who hurt you?
That's a real question.
I mean, I don't know. Me too?
Kennedy.
Kennedy? Okay, y'all a couple?
Yes.
Okay, y'all love each other? Okay, how long you, so would you guys go to each other's phones right now? Alright,
We do all the time.
Yeah, come on, let's do it. Now, who's James? Oh, shit. Who's James?
That's him.
Wait, Jimmy James?
Yeah. We play ball.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Who's this? Who's this guy?
You know Elijah.
Oh.
You cool with that?
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah, I trust her.
Who is Humanities 115?
I see you got jokes. Okay, alright. You guys fast. Good job.
Thanks.
Wait a minute, I didn't check you. Who's Amanda?
His sister.
Sister.
Who's that?
His other sister.
Wow, you really like pointing out my sisters.
Who's that?
My friend.
You cool with that?
Yes, I've always been cool with Pam. Pam's my friend too.
Pam's your friend and he's texting you. You know what? You guys pass.